A dance of death, already in motion. The secretary bird circles, its wings unfurled like a great feathered shield. Beneath it, a king. The cobra rises, its hood flared in a desperate golden warning. In this arena, patience is not calm, it's strategy. The bird keeps its head high, eyes locked on the cobra's face, reading tiny shifts. The sway of the hood, the tightening of the coils, the minute twitch that betrays intent. The cobra reads back, tasting the air, tracking heat and movement, searching for the one mistake that turns a hunter into a casualty. The bird strikes, not with talons, not with a bite, but with long, dinosaur-like legs built for impact. Rhythmic, hammering stamps land with brutal precision. But targeted blows meant to stun and disorient. The cobra whips and folds away, trying to keep its head protected, trying to keep its timing intact. The snake sways, weaving a hypnotic pattern, body flowing like a drawn bow. It only needs one opening. One clean line to living flesh. One strike. But the bird is already moving, always moving. It never stays where the cobra expects it to be. The secretary bird isn't just fighting a cobra. It's fighting the cobra's aim. Peering through the feathered canopy, the bird aims for the head, always the head. Because against venom, there is no room for good enough. Its beak isn't just a tool. It's a needlepoint instrument of decision. To kill a king, one must be flawless. To lose is to be claimed by the very venom you seek to conquer. The cobra begins to lose its rhythm.